So here's how to auto cut boring part of video. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Gling AI so you can follow along with this tutorial, and it will be in the description down below. So now once you click on the link, it will redirect you over here and click on start for free. And after that, just simply sign up over here. And now you can just simply connect with Google or just simply manually provide your email and password. Once you are signed in, just click on web editor over here. And now just simply drag your video over here or click to browse into your desktop and just simply select a video and click on open. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on continue over here. And now from here, you will have multiple options to choose from. So this is all of the features that Gling AI has to offer. So as you can see, we have here cut bad takes. So it will automatically remove the bad takes and redundant clips, and you can cut the silences as well. So it will automatically remove the silent moments from your video. And after that, you can just simply click on enhance and edit. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And from here, guys, once it is loaded up, as you can see, it removes the silences over here. When you right click on this clip, you can uncut it. And as you can see, this is all of the pauses and silences. So I'm just going to simply make it cut. And pretty much over here, you should be able to remove all of the unnecessary part of your video. And once you are done, you just simply click on export over here. And you can just simply go for video and just simply select allocation. And after that, it will save into your desktop. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.